Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to get a receipt from Agoda. So guys, the first thing that you actually have to do is go to agoda.com and you'll be greeted by a website like this. Now guys, when you're here, you just need to go and create your to log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can always go and register to Agoda. If guys you do not know how to do this, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Agoda videos where you can see how you can actually do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we have actually in front of us. So guys, here we have a lot of different options. So we have here the hotels and homes where you can go and search for. We have the transport where you have flights, buses, trains, ferries, airport transfer, and car rentals. We have coupon details where you can coupon and deals, where you can go and see which coupons and deals the website has. And here you have the apartment options where you can go and see the apartments from Agoda. But now in the top right corner, guys, we have the list of your places that you choose. You can choose the countries here. All countries are here, so you can choose, the languages. And here you can choose the currency that you want to choose. And of course, here you have the card and your profile, where you have bookings, property message, you have Agoda cash, how much cash you have, cashback rewards, Agoda VIP. I have bronze VIP at the moment. Save properties list, reviews, points max, profile, and sign out buttons. But now guys, let's see how you can actually get a receipt from Agoda. Well, when you go search for your booking and book a place, you will get an email which will look something like this. When you get that email, you just need to go and scroll down on the email and you will get to a picture like, they will get something like this. I'm just gonna go in. So you'll have this. And here at the end, you can request a receipt, invoice, and you just need to click there and you will get your receipt. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.